everyone, I'm Sally and welcome again to Fun and Diary. So this time I'll be making a makeup theme cake topper. Let's get started!
Prepare 2 pieces of wire, each 40 cm long and one wire is 22 cm long, then wrap them with floral tape. Then bring the 3 wires together, tie the ends 7 cm long. Then take the sawdust wire and bend it. And also bend the remaining 2 wires. Then bring the 3 ends of the wire together and tie the ends 7 cm long. And wrap all visible wires with floral tape. Then stick the wire frame into polystyrene. Then stretch the 2 wires, then bend them at a distance of 1 cm from the center. Stretch and create space between the 2 wires and tie both ends with floral wire. And next, I'm going to cover the wire frame with fondant. So here it is, a makeup pouch cake topper, and next I'm going to make 2 fondant brushes. So here are 2 fondant brushes, and next I'm going to make a pink fondant eyeliner. And next, I'm going to make a pink fondant lipstick. And next, I'm going to make an eyeshadow palette. And lastly, I will make a fondant compact powder. So here they are, Makeup Team Cake Toppers.
Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give a like and write in the comments. And also, I want to say thank you for those of you who have supported this channel by joining membership. I've put your names or your channel names at the end of this video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!